Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to read SQL Server execution plans. Start by opening the actual execution plan in SSMS and looking at the topmost operator as the final output. Follow arrows backward to find data sources and expensive operations. Check estimated and actual rows to spot mismatches. Notice expensive operators and missing indexes first, then inspect join types and sorts to form an action plan. In this section, we focus on common operators and what they mean for performance. Look for scans versus, seeks to quickly gauge index effectiveness, and examine operator costs to find hotspots. Pay special attention to join types and their input sizes because joins often dominate cost. Use actual row counts when available to validate estimates, and trace where large sorts or spills occur to understand memory or TempDB pressure. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more SQL tips. Quick recommendation: grab the Oala water bottle to stay hydrated during long tuning sessions. It fits cup holders and has a leak-proof lid which is perfect for focused work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy keeping refreshed while you tune queries. Now let's get back to the video. This troubleshooting approach helps you systematically improve queries without guessing. Start by isolating the operator with the largest cost and inspect its inputs and predicates. If estimates are wrong, consider statistics updates or query rewrites that reduce cardinality surprises. Experiment with index changes on selective predicates, measure improvements, then revert if performance doesn't improve to avoid unnecessary maintenance overhead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.